Hi, my name is Vinay Kumar and you are watching Digital Vinay channel. Today I am going to give a review on No Limit, who was brought to you by Shadim. Now let us see what is No Limit, what are the benefits of No Limit, what you get when you purchase today, what training is included in this course, overview of No Limit dashboard and my high quality products as exclusive bonuses. What is No Limit? In this product, you will get 3 done for you products in a super hot niche ready to deploy in the marketplace. And you will get not one but 3 done for you top quality products generating $500 each using the no limit method. You don't need to spend countless hours to come up with the hot product ideas. No need to write any sales letter, no need to create any graphics, nothing at all. This is a true solution to start your lucrative online business without any headache or spending countless hours in front of computer. It's your time to get no limit today. What are the benefits of no limit? Get instant access for the complete system built for newbies, runs on autopilot, evergreen business model, no prior experience needed, no tech skills required, everyone can do this. Fail proof system, 30-day money back guarantee. Now let us see overview of dashboard. This is the dashboard of No Limit, which you can access Craigslist business reseller package training and downloads, and a look at the categories you can sell in, how to list, sell stuff from home, selling tips, popular items to sell on Craigslist, where to get inventory, where else to sell, what you need when picking up products, and you will get digital business reseller package training and downloads, and you can download the Craigslist business reseller package. Now digital business reseller package training and downloads. Introduction, why sell digital products, types of digital products, how to create digital products, where to sell digital products, writing your sales copy, JV partners, and conclusions. And you can download this digital business reseller package. And next one is ETSY business reseller package training and downloads. Now what is ETSY? ETSY fees, what to sell on ETSY, photo tips, keywords, drive traffic to our ETSY shop, and passive income on ETSY, useful tips, and you can download ETSY business reseller package, and you will get all the special bonuses. Install the best page builder and click here to get Thrive Architect Builder in just $5 you will get, and step by step walkthrough of Thrive Architect and super special bonuses, how to set up everything step by step, introduction, extract files, how to edit sales page, create PayPal button, insert PayPal button, and file transfer protocol, upload sales page, create download folder, and you will access your bonuses here. Bonus 1, exploit your traffic with these 6 traffic methods. Bonus 2, instant traffic for pennies with Bing ads. And bonus 3, top 6 paid underground traffic sources. Bonus 4, mastering Facebook. And bonus 5, free list building tools and methods. If you purchase these products, you will get to access to all these trainings. And let us see, when you purchase through my link, you will get a high quality products. And let us see what are the high quality products you will get. Bonus 1, you will get Inbox Blaster, which is a worth of $197. And second bonus, you will get Video Crusher, which is a worth of $197. Third one, you will get 6 done for you funnels with lead pages and gifts plus sales pages with products to sell, which is a worth of $497. And you will get super affiliate buyer funnel, which is a worth of $297. And you will get all the vendor bonuses as we seen just now, the bonuses of vendor. And let us see what are the upsells. First, front end, you will get $7.97, and OTO1 upsell is $47 and downsell is $27. You will get all the best selling products of 2020. And OTO2, you will get access to golden PLR bundle, which is a worth of $20 and downsell is $10. And you will get a premium one-on-one coaching, which is a worth of $197. Upsells and downsell is $97. These are the upsells you will get. And if you purchase through my link, you will get these high quality bonus. First one is Inbox Blaster, second one is Video Crusher, and 6 done for you funnels, super affiliate buyer, and all vendor bonuses. So grab it today before this bonus page expires. Now let us go to the slides. This is the overview of dashboard, and if you purchase this product, you will see the results like this. And this is the 100% money back guarantee. This product comes with a 30-day money back guarantee. And bonuses, as we seen before, you will get the high quality bonuses if you purchase through my link. So grab it today before the bonus page expires. However, in order to meet my minimum criteria of recommending it to you, it needs to meet a minimum score of at least 88%. Based on my time with the product and my overall impression, the rating I give this product is 93 by 100. Bonus. If you purchase through my link, you will get high quality bonuses. So grab it today before bonus page expires. Now it's your turn. Click the link in the description below and you will get free 100 solo ads clicks for absolutely free. Link is in the description. And thank you for watching my review. Please like, share, comment, subscribe and press bell icon for further notification. Have a great day. Thank you.